Good morning, guys. This is Raciel Perales, aka Rozzy, and Christmas came in early. So this is the 10C EVO by Sena. It claims to have Bluetooth version 4.1, a unibody design, 2160p UHD video, 125 degrees wide view angle, lens rotation up to 30 degrees, Bluetooth intercom up to 1.6 kilometers, 4-way connection, smart audio mix, which I don't know what that is yet. Water resistant for inclement weather. That water resistant part, I would not trust that. I've owned a couple Senas before this one here, and the last one I tried riding in the rain and it did not work. I ruined that one. Luckily I did have the dual pack and I used the second one, but do not use this in the rain. I don't recommend that. I think Cardo, the other Bluetooth headset by a different manufacturer, that one I do believe is a fully waterproof intercom, and it does have JBL speakers, which is my next purchase maybe, but this one caught my eye a long time ago when they were teasing that they were going to come out, the camera, built-in camera, the audio and all that. So we'll definitely test this guy out, but not in the rain. So advanced noise control, music sharing, built-in FM radio tuner with a station scan and save function, a smartphone app, again with the smartphone app with the 30K Sena. It didn't really work for me, so I don't know if for anybody else, but for me the app didn't work at all. It was very glitchy, it didn't go through, it wasn't pairing correctly, and also it says firmware upgradable. Again, that was another issue for me with the Sena 30K. I could not upgrade that. I tried using my Mac, I tried using a Microsoft based computer. No way possible for me. Maybe I've seen videos where people just do it so quick and it's easy, and I tried doing it by every means necessary, but it just didn't work. So I just kept it on the version that it was because I couldn't upgrade it. And we'll see how this one works, and we'll see if it holds up to what it says it's capable of. So okay, we'll get into the install. Alright, so this is actually pretty cool. It gives you 3 options for mounting your Sena onto your helmet. So you get this guy here with just the 3M tape on the back. So you can just stick that anywhere on the helmet where you want to place it. And then it gives you a left and right side for your helmet. So this would go on this side on the helmet, this would go on this side. It's very interesting because I haven't seen this type of mount for a Sena before. So it has about like a little wheel where you can tighten. It has like about what it's similar to like the cold shoe or hot shoe mount. This part comes off, not sure why, but it does come off. So it's like a little wheel. Goes in that. Oh, I get it. So you can mount it in an angle, like for example, this would go like that, and then you can actually twist this guy here. If it's your first time installing one of these like Senas, it could be a bit complicated, or a Cardo or whatever intercom you're trying to install. It might seem a little bit complicated, but it's not too bad, honestly. Alright, so after the install, it should look like that. So there is a bit of a wire sticking out and a bit of a gap, if you see that, but not too bad, not much different from the old one.
Recording. Parece señor.
Yeah. Like a man.
Eso. Like a man. Yo soy del ancho. You on fire?
No.
No. Voy a hacer contigo, coño. Eso. Hi, hi, hi. Hi. First time I thought I was recording and it wasn't. See about that later. Oh man, I love this bike. Or the battery died. One of the both. Doesn't say anything about a stable. No, too much now in Petaluma. Oh.
I used to be chill. Now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest. Can't handle the space. I need you here by my side. You make me sweat in the coldest of nights, yeah.
Not expecting that. Oh my gosh, she grabbed on for her life. Ay, that was funny. Guang, 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 guang. La Popo. ¿Quieres dar otra vuelta? Oh, that's why. Yo estaba ahí. Hello. Y tienes que recordar que tienes que jalar really hard. Bueno, si no quieres. So.
Alright, so for a first impression, this is actually really good. The only issues that I've had was the app and the intercom pairing. I don't know why, for some reason I always have some issues with that, but eventually I did get it to work, and it was just the same steps, but it just didn't want to register, or it just said intercom pairing failed, try again later or something like that. The video quality of this is actually really decent, and it looks like it already has like a built-in filter. Some of you might not like that, but I actually did like that. So that was actually pretty cool. The only thing I wish they would make this for like a top mount on the helmet, just so you don't, when you're video recording, your video won't just show this side of the view. It would show like a pretty decent wide angle in the front. I think that would just be like my change, but obviously this goes on the side mount. So another issue would actually be the app. Again, the app has some glitches. It forces it to close out. Not sure why, but again, the app isn't that really helpful. And even for searching like the videos or looking through the media, on the SD card, it never popped up. So I had to remove the SD, put it into my like little GoPro adapter for my iPhone. Then I had to like filter it out or look for them, and they were there. So that made it a lot easier than connecting it to a computer or anything like that. So that GoPro SD adapter will definitely come in handy for this. Just in my experience, the app didn't work for that. So, but besides that, pretty solid. I'm really happy with this. The sound quality, I think Cardo has them beat with the JBL speakers, but not bad at all either. So, hey, I definitely recommend this, or at least check it out. And if you're interested in this piece of gear, definitely check out Revzilla. They have all the gear that you're ever gonna need and the best customer service. They'll definitely take care of you. Check them out. Link down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you.